does the same moves.
Oh, but it's cute on her. She makes me laugh. She makes me laugh. Can we turn around?
You don't know how to really Dougie, do you?
Rock.
Alright, I got it.
Let me show you how to
Hold on. This way.
Alright, let her go.
No.
Oh, let's see this boy Dougie. Let me see you do that again.
I can't see. I gotta light my eye. We're stoners. We took acid. Oh, he sat on my balls. He put his knee on my testicle. How do you do that? Oh, it makes you laugh? Look at your balls. But he literally put his knee on my testicle.
Alright, stop, little boy.